Hi, I'm Erin. Have you ever felt like no matter what you do, those extra pounds just won't budge? Well, you're definitely not alone. Welcome to Consumer Health Digest, your go to source for honest and in depth product reviews. Today, I'm introducing Puravive, not just any supplement, but Ripped 11. Puravive, a perfect blend of nature and science, specially crafted for effective weight loss. Puravive is a natural, plant based formula manufactured in the USA in an FDA registered facility. What makes Puravive stand out is its unique mix of 8 powerful plant based ingredients like luteolin, kudu, holy basil, and several others, all designed to enhance your health naturally. Each ingredient in Puravive has been carefully chosen, keeping in mind its specific health benefits. The goal isn't just weight loss, it's about doing it in a healthy and sustainable way. The real power of Puravive lies in its ability to increase brown adipose tissue, that, which turns stubborn fat into energy. So, how does it work? Let's get a little scientific. BAT is a type of fat that burns calories more effectively than white fat, leading to faster weight loss. Puravive helps activate and increase the production of this fat burning tissue, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. The masterminds behind Puravive are Dr. Michael Kim and Tom Harris. Through their extensive research in weight loss, they discovered the rice hack method, a cornerstone of Puravive's formula. This method is what makes Puravive so effective in supporting your weight loss journey. Now, what can you expect from Puravive? The key benefits are clear: weight loss, enhanced energy, and improved overall health. Plus, because of its all natural composition, the side effects are minimal. However, as with any supplement, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. While Puravive might be a bit pricier than some other weight loss products, remember, you're paying for quality. Users worldwide are already seeing life-changing results with Puravive, and it's becoming a go-to choice for those serious about losing weight and improving their health. So, if you're looking for an effective, all-natural way to lose weight and boost your overall health, Puravive might just be the push you need. That wraps up today's session. Thanks for tuning in to Consumer Health Digest. Be sure to visit our website for a more in-depth, science-backed review of Puravive. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your daily dose of wellness tips. Until next time, stay in the know and stay healthy.